Tapas, and this is traditionally from España or Spain. And let me tell you a little bit of the history behind tapas. There are actually two little stories from two kings, both with the same name, different number. The first king was from the 1200s, King Alfonso X. He got very sick, doctor didn't know what to do, and eventually started giving him wine with little pieces of food. King got better, and he ordered the taverns, bars, whatever was called back in the 1200s, throughout Spain to serve a little bit of food with the drinks, something that make farmers and others, shepherds and others very happy because now they have a meal for free. The second story happened more recently. This is where Tapa name came from. King Alfonso XIII, back in the 1930s, he was in Cadiz, Spain, his city, and he was near the beach by a tavern or a bar, and he ordered a glass of wine. The server was coming with the wine, and it was windy, so he grabbed a piece of serrano ham or jamon serrano, put on top of the glass so sun didn't go inside. King saw that, he was, found it interested, drank his wine, and he ordered another with a tapa. Tapa in Spanish means cover, and that's how the name tapa originated back in Spain. And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. So before I introduce you to my tapa, let me explain something very simple. Tapas can be done, like hot cook, or it can be room temperature cold. And there are different ways of preparing tapa. I have prepared many using even fruits and other things, and they are always delicious. But this particular one is inspired by the experience of King Alfonso XIII back in the 1930s, when he said, "Give me another glass of wine with that tapa or the cover." And this one is the Serrano ham from Spain, exactly what he got. But in addition to that, I'm going to add some other things. And I'm going to go with a couple slices of bread, some manchego cheese. This is an 8-month-old manchego cheese. It's aged. And it's from Spain or España too. Some Spanish olive, also from Spain. And I'm going to have some extra virgin olive oil from Spain. Everything stays in Spain, including the wine. This is a Ramirez de la Piscina wine, Crianza 2019. It's very good. It's from Spain, and it's using the Tempranillo grape, which is a Spanish grape. And this is pretty much it. Let's get started. So it's very simple, very, very simple. Serrano ham. Let me put a couple. Some cheese, the manchego cheese. You can put an olive. And I like to drip a little bit of the extra virgin olive oil on top. That's simple. See how beautiful?